Hello everyone, in this video I will discuss about materials for GRE verbal section. I have another video where I have discussed about materials for GRE quant section. You can find that video in the description below. I have given a link of that video, so you can watch the video. So it is actually difficult for the beginners to find the best materials for GRE verbal section, as there are a lot of materials and most of them don't meet the standard. So they are often get confused. In this video, I am going to tell you which materials should be followed and which materials should not be followed. So in my list, the top of the materials are obviously the official guides from ETS. Two official books for verbal reasoning from ETS. The first one is the official guide to the GRE revised general test, and the second one is official GRE verbal reasoning. You must practice them. So you cannot think of taking the exam without completing these official guides, as these guides are from the test makers. So you must read everything from these books. You should solve all the problems and follow the explanations from these books. Then you can compare your own logic with them. It will help you to develop your logical state. And also you will be able to understand the question pattern for verbal section. Now GRE big book. If you want to practice a lot, then old GRE big book is obviously a good source. So you can practice a lot of things from this book. You can practice text completion questions from here. You may find the question patterns a little bit different from new GRE question pattern, but yet they are good source to improve your text completion logic. You can practice reading comprehension from here. You will find a lot of reading comprehension passages and questions, so you should practice them. You can practice critical reasoning questions from these books. The difficulty level of this book are same as the new GRE. Now GMAT official guide. So these are official guides for GMAT actually from Graduate Management Admission Council. You may practice them. These are the good source to practice for GRE verbal section. So there are two books. The first one is GMAT official guide and the second one is GMAT official guide verbal review. You should collect the most recent ones, okay? So you can solve the following types of topics from these books. You can solve reading comprehension passages from here, and you can solve critical reasoning problems from these books. In these books, after each sections, you will find explanations. So you must read the explanations, then you can compare your own logic with them. Now LSAT, if you want to practice more critical reasoning question, then I think after ETS materials and GMAT materials, LSAT materials are going to be handy. You can follow official LSAT test materials to practice critical reasoning questions. Now set, if you want to practice more text completion questions, then I think you should follow set, but you must follow old version of set questions or official guide before 2016. Now what about third party materials? I personally don't prefer third party materials because these third party materials give more importance to vocabulary logic than actual logical stuff. They are actually opposite to the official materials. In official materials you will find strong logic based questions, but in third party materials they have weak logic and strong vocabulary based questions. Vocabulary is of course necessary, but understanding the logic is the ultimate goal for getting good score in GRE verbal section. So you should not follow the third party materials, you should only follow the official materials from say GRE, GMAT, LSAT, SAT, something like this. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone.